So we are on a boat.
You're getting worried about how long you come back.
Whale watching.
Stay under the water.
So these are not the whales. Don't think about it. This is Glenn and this is Betsy. Thanks to whom we're here.
There's no reason for humpback whales to stay under the water for 4 seconds.
We're not whales.
If it's 10 minutes, we would.
I like to
give up
You're the
and
little
go find
baby
another whale.
whale.
That's not happening.
This is, as you can see, this is all the food that we're gonna give to the whales. So, you see them today, this is the last time. If you recognize someone, say goodbye. Or cry. So this is it doesn't look so good in the camera as it should be, but here's a beautiful view.
I know, you can't take a picture that's going to look that good.
Yes. Perfect.
It's gorgeous.